Hey guys, today I'm going to go to the shop, but my parents took a long time. Now it's drizzling. It's raining. I'm serious. I'm gonna get wet. I should get in the shade. Oh my god. I have to wait for the rain to stop. I already got ready. You can see. I got ready. They took a really long time. Look what happened. Okay, I should get in before I get really wet. Let me grab an umbrella. And second chat. Wait, I'm not streaming. And I can't stream. I'm not old enough. Okay, you gotta wait here and watch my kittens. Please, can you do a good job? Okay, thanks. Oh my god! Huh? Yeah. Okay, guys, I set my umbrella up. Let's check out. Don't mind me. It's just the neighbors. Ooh, dang. Okay, guys, I got a dip. Bye, guys. Update. It got heavier. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, I should actually get in the shade. If you guys don't know why I should get in the shade, it's because of that. And because there's so many tiny holes. Wait here, guys. I'll just be right back. Okay, guys, I fixed the umbrella. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, this is actually heavy. Guys, should I go? I think so. I love the rain. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm actually wearing long pants, so I should probably just stay here. Oh my. Look at all that water. What is he doing? Okay, guys, wait. Give me 1 sec. Okay, guys, now I'm going to unwet the umbrella. Oh my god, my kittens are so scared. I should actually not face reveal what is happening. I was struggling to pick up the phone because I didn't want to face reveal. Oh my gosh. When will this shit stop?